Hot rodding treads the line between performance and personalization. The modding subculture includes everything from dedicated drag racers to show-off SEMA cars, sometimes all built into the same machine. Whatever the vision may be, Factory 5 Racing sells a lineup of build-your-own hot rod kits that can provide the bones to make any hot rod project a reality. The kit car manufacturer started out in 1995 selling a Shelby Cobra replica that could be built at home with a single Mustang donor. CEO Dave Smith said he originally didn't want to make hot rods, but his lead engineer convinced him that the industry needed a kit that could perform as good as it looked. Hot rodding was a world supported by outdated frames from the original Ford Model 18s and Model 40s, meaning performance and safety lagged behind modern standards. Factory 5 wanted to produce a kit that used modern chassis technology, but retained the original style that gave birth to decades of artistic expression. Today, they sell 3 different kits, all based on the same underpinnings, each one a blank canvas for DIY enthusiasts to build into their unique idea of the ultimate hot rod. The first of these kits was introduced in 2008. Called the 33 Hot Rod, it takes inspiration from the 1933 Ford 3-window coupe. It was sold alongside the brand's Cobra kits and DIY supercars, unchanged for a decade. Then in 2018, Factory 5 went all in on a redesign for its second generation. They acquired a hot rod shop called Rat's Glass, which had been in the business of creating custom rides for over 30 years, even achieving the prestigious Riddler Award twice for their unique builds. But when shop founder George Long retired, he sold the company to Factory 5, who received decades of hot rod history in exchange. With the designs, concepts, and expertise acquired from the Rat's Glass acquisition, Factory 5 was able to take their hot rod kits to the next level. The second generation 33 hot rod kit was announced at SEMA 2018, now built on an all-new CAD-designed chassis that comes pre-welded and ready for assembly. This frame includes a full-width removable roll bar, side impact protection, and sandwiched aluminum and composite floor construction, which improves interior space for taller passengers. Suspension comes in the form of inboard Kone-adjustable shocks and a standard 4-link solid-axle rear end, although independent rear suspension is offered as well. The performance of this chassis brings it up to par with modern sports cars, although even the older generation handled well enough to hold its own in a comparison with the Lamborghini Gallardo. Part of the reason for its success is the ability to accept a huge variety of drivetrains. Factory 5 will configure it with engine mounts for options like the Ford Coyote motors, LS series, Chevy small blocks, Gen 3 Hemi, and more. Of course, the drivetrain is the main piece not included with the kit. It will have to be supplied by the customer to complete their build. But once finished, the 33 Hot Rod should be easily capable of 0 to 60 in under 4 seconds. And the gorgeous sweeping curves on the exterior are now made from hand-laid fiberglass. In true hot rod fashion, there's a ton of customization offered here. At the front, the standard nose features a cast aluminum grille, but it's also available in the style of a 32 Deluxe, with a square shape, shorter hood, and carbon fiber venting. The side of the kit comes with wide-body street-style fenders, but if you want an open-wheel look instead, swap them out for carbon fiber bike fenders, or no fenders at all. The side panels covering the engine can also be removed to show off what's underneath. Everything is capped off with an optional removable hardtop and reverse hinge doors. The end result is a design that's about 3 inches wider than the original Ford and will weigh about 2,200 pounds. With such a configurable, modular exterior, the style of the kit is really what you make of it. No two builds are ever going to be exactly alike. Unlike many other kit cars, the 33 Hot Rod also comes with everything you need to assemble a complete interior. That includes a removable dash and the option of bucket seats or a full-size bench. A complete set of 6 electronic autometer platinum gauges comes standard, powered by the new custom-fit wiring harness. Both left and right-hand drive are available for international builders. But while the 33 Hot Rod is perfect for a go-fast build, those who want more of a practical cruiser might prefer the Factory 5 35 truck kit. It's the brand's second model in this vintage hot rod style, introduced to the lineup in 2018. Styling is inspired by the 1935 Ford Model 50, but with modern creature comforts like power windows, air conditioning, and heat. It uses the same chassis as the 33 Hot Rod, with only minor adjustments made to accommodate the new 5-foot truck bed and functional tailgate. This means that all the same drivetrain options will fit, though for the debut demo car, Factory 5 went for a more style-oriented build, dropping the performance in favor of a 306 small block engine and automatic transmission. But others have gone more hardcore with their truck builds, including a supercharged 640 horsepower LS project by SMG Motoring. It's a modern take on a classic, with performance and comfort that can stand toe-to-toe with entry-level exotics. The final kit in Factory 5's hot rod lineup is the Speedstar. The Speedstar started life as a model sold by Rat's Glass, quickly becoming the garage's most famous product. But after Factory 5 acquired Rat's Glass, they got the rights to the Speedstar as well, and redesigned it to fit with their chassis system. The exterior is similar to the original 33 Hot Rod kit, but far more aggressive, with a wider and lower stance that greatly reduces interior headroom. The Speedstar fills the top spot of the lineup as the ultimate hot rod build. It's capable of 0 to 60 in under 3 seconds with the right motor. In addition to the Speedstar, Rat's Glass also had 9 other unique hot rod models when the shop closed down, meaning Factory 5 could potentially introduce more of their work to the kit car world. While the Speedstar represents a good start, enthusiasts have also been wondering whether icons like the Ford Roadster and 5-window coupe might get added to the Factory 5 lineup. As for pricing, the entry-level 33 Hot Rod can be bought in 2 stages for $10,990 each, or get the whole thing at once for $20,990. That's the same price for a 35 truck, about $21,000 for the full chassis, exterior, and interior. Meanwhile, the Speedstar is just a little ahead at $22,990. And of course, these kits don't include a drivetrain or finishing details like paintwork. Once the cost of those are added in, you'll probably need to budget $40,000 to $50,000 plus to get one of these on the road. Which one of these 3 hot rod kits would you build? Let me know in the comments, and remember to subscribe for more kit car content. Thanks for watching.